What's the meaning of a question of sport? A question of sport. A question of sport.
A question of sport. A question of sport. A Question of Sport is a British television quiz show focused on sports trivia. It has been broadcast since 1970 and features two teams competing to answer questions based on various sports. The show has become a popular source of entertainment for sports fans, with a regular audience of millions of viewers. The format has changed over the years, but the show remains a mainstay in British television culture. In short, A Question of Sport is a long-running, highly regarded quiz show that has provided hours of entertainment for sports enthusiasts.